If you are looking for a camera phone to capture your perfect moments, then say hello to the Vivo V11 Pro. The rear of the smartphone packs a vertically stacked 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera. The 12 megapixel camera has dual pixel sensors, which ensures that it gets 24 million photosensitive units. The camera can focus in a mere 0.03 seconds, ensuring that you never miss a fleeting moment. With AI backlight HDR, you no longer need to worry about shooting against the light to capture a shot. The f1.8 aperture coupled with AI technology powering the phone helps you enhance your low-light images. With AI scene recognition, the camera on the phone is smart enough to recognize what you are shooting and change the settings of the camera appropriately. So whether you are shooting at night, a portrait, food, or flowers, the camera can change the settings accordingly, so you get the perfect shot every time. The AI technology also guides you to take the ideal bokeh shot. The 25 megapixel front camera also packs in quite an interesting feature set. The magic of the front camera lies in its AI face modeling algorithm to help you click the best selfies. The front camera's AI also offers user more lighting effects to enhance your selfies. So be it studio light, stereo light, loop light, rainbow light, or a monochrome background, your selfies will now reflect in a variety of lights. The front camera can also capture a group selfie, ensuring that you don't need to stretch your arm too far to capture your friends around you. Both the front and rear camera have a library of AR stickers for you to play around with and create some unforgettable memories. Now, isn't the Vivo V11 Pro's camera the best way to get a perfect shot for the perfect moment?